You did a number of collaborations in your career as a recording artist.
Yeah.
Who are some of them you worked with?
Oh gosh, I've worked with.
You worked with Sean Paul?
Yes, I've worked with Sean Paul. I actually have a platinum selling plaque at home. I did a feature on his Trinity album. That was big time for me. That was, you know, when you do something like that as a young artist, you think, wow, I want one of these for myself, you know, or the dream is actually real. Like, I'm a successful artist. Like, look at this, look at my wall, you know?
Yeah.
So it served as great inspiration. Of course, Bounty Killer, I can't speak of my musical career without a Bounty Killer, because he was the King Jammy's main artist while I was a kid. So we used to idolize him and look up to him, and, you know, I remember Trev, which is King Jammy's son, coming home and saying, yo, my father find the baddest artist named Bounty Killer. And I said, what? Yo, T42 cassette, I make we hear them, no man. So bring on the cassette. And then from that, I was just like, wow, this artist is going to change the game. He might go bust. The world are going to know him. And it was like a prophecy that as little kids, we see it happen, we see it manifest. And then eventually, you know, Bounty would know us just by virtue of being around
them,
you know.
yeah, yeah.
And then we got old enough now where we could write songs. And then I wrote this song and I said, Trev, you know, so forgot the Bounty with this. Bounty would I do that tune in a collaboration? There was a song named When the Smoke Clears. And that was the first collaboration that me and Bounty did. And after that, it was just the beginning of a lifelong mentorship, you know,
You're
friendship.
still in touch with Bounty Killer?
Yes, man. Yes, man.